Make sure you don't fight at school as you used to do. Do you hear me? Make sure you don't fight at school.
Papa, I don't like this talk at times. So. Which one is make sure I don't fight at school? If I used to fight.
Because I know what you can do. You always fight at school.
Anyways, what about the money?
Which money?
Money for my school fees.
Okay, my daughter, that is true. That is true. I promise to give you the money this morning. But the problem is that the person that's supposed to give me the money did not meet up. So don't worry, I'll give you the money this week.
Papa, that's what you have been saying since. That's what you have been saying since. My exams are fast approaching and you are still telling me the same thing you've been saying since last week.
But I said I'll give you the money. Now what is your problem, this girl?
What is happening here? Tochuku, why are you speaking to your father like that?
Ask her.
Mama, it's not Papa. Since last week now he has been telling me the same story. He doesn't want to give me money for my school fees.
Okay, Mechiano. Nai, I thought you've given her the money like you promised.
I promised to give her the money. But the person that's supposed to give me the money yesterday disappointed me. And I have explained to her, but she wouldn't listen. I said, I will give you the money. Today is Tuesday. I will give you the money. Don't worry.
You heard your father. He will give you your school fees.
Mama, Papa did not hesitate to pay Paul's acceptance fees into the university. He could have easily paid my own when he was paying for Paul's own. But no, he wants me to pay it, and that's why he does not want to pay for my own now.
Okay, keep quiet, my friend. Don't you know that things are hard? You think it's easy? Your father will pay your school fees. Come and be going to school.
Mama, the exam is approaching.
I know it's approaching. Your father will pay. Be going to school. Go. Okay, Nede. Nine. Try and give her this money. Try and give her this school fees is long overdue.
Oh, women! I don't know why you all are the same. I said I will give her the money. So why are you telling me this again? My friend, go and get me my food. I'm about going to work.
No, take it easy now. Olubenke Bamba. I will bring your food. Money.
Azuka, I'm ashamed of myself.
Why? Why are you ashamed of yourself? What happened?
Don't tell me you've forgotten so soon. What happened earlier today in the class? How the head mistress stood me out and insulted me in front of the whole class just because I've not paid my school fees.
Oh, come on. You know you're not the only person she spoke to like that. There were other people like that she talked to. And I'm very sure they are not feeling the way you're feeling right now.
But mind me, what is school fees that my father cannot pay early like other parents? Just look at Tessy and Happiness. I'm sure my father is doing better than their fathers, but they are always first to pay for school fees in our class. They never ever pay late or don't even pay at all. But look at me and the embarrassment I'm facing.
Why are you talking like this about your father all the time? Are you aware the country is very hard? And speaking about Tessy and Happiness, do you know how their parents make money?
No matter how their parents make money, as far as the fees are being paid, that's what's important.
Tochi, you are gradually going mad. Yes.
Is that an insult or what?
Yes, if insulting you will make you think like a normal human, I will do that. So now let's leave this place. Let's go. Let's leave this place now. Am I not talking to somebody?
You're hurting me. Let's go.
I think we should go and ask them. They were friends. Let's go.
Friends Ukwa. I don't like her. Most especially Toshi.
See, I don't understand you. Let's go into the school compound before it's too late. You know I don't want that wicked prefect to flog us.
Me, I don't want to go to that school. I don't want that principal to embarrass me again like she did yesterday. I can't even stand it again.
Wait, so you know you're not entering the school compound? Talk more of taking classes. So why were you prepared for school?
Because I didn't want to disobey my parents by not coming to school.
Can you listen to yourself? You're fooling yourself. You didn't want to disobey your parents by not coming to school. Yet, you're not in the class for classes. So now tell me, what did you gain today? Tell me.
Hey girls, you are here.
Yes, we are here. So, can you please keep moving?
What's wrong with you?
Azuka, are we fighting? Are you not my friend? There's no problem. Tochi, I want to talk to you.
What is it, Tessy?
Can you please excuse me a bit? It's private.
Listen, Tochi here is not going anywhere with you. Whatever you have to say it here and now.
Azuka, what is your own? Eh? Did I call your name? Did I talk to you? Eh? Why are you taking Panadol for another person's headache? Are you okay? Who did that? But don't be ever before let's sagging or what?
Can't do anything. Let me just tell you.
Please.
Look at this one.
Tessy.
I will hurt you.
Azuka.
I will hurt you.
It is okay.
Like that. I will not you.
Can you listen to me?
See this girl?
It's okay. Azuka, don't worry. I'll meet you in class. Don't worry. Let me hear what she has to say. Tessy, let's
Meet
talk.
me at the school.
Talk to me.
Tessy, please. I'm going.
Please. I know you have not paid your school fees.
What? Is that supposed to be an insult or what?
No, I cannot insult you because you are my friend. Listen, I want to help you.
Toshi and Tessy, you should hurry up now.
Everything that is sweet has bitterness. Life is sweet, but it's bitter. We should be careful.
It's so hot.
Me, I don't understand. Is this the type of problem I'm supposed to be here to go and see your uncle?
See, Tochi, if you want my uncle to help you, you have to look so sharp.
Sexy.
Just like this.
In fact, look. Bring it down. Hey, come on. Look at you. Bring it down so you look sexy.
Let's go.
That way. Yes.
What about our bag and uniform?
Don't worry. We'll come back for them. Don't worry.
Let's go.
Everything that is sweet has bitterness. Life is sweet, but it's bitter. We should be careful how we live.
Sir, my friends Tessy and Happiness are downstairs. Why did you bring me here?
Sit down.
Sir, Tessy told me she would take me to one of our uncles to help me pay for my school fees.
Yes. I will help you, but not by this year. Behavior.
How am I behaving?
How much is the money we're talking about here?
18,000 naira.
18,000 only. I will give you 40,000 naira.
What?
Yes.
40,000 naira.
Then when you pay your school fees, you keep the remaining one for your upkeeping. Yes, I will give you. This is 40,000 naira. You are happy now, right?
Yes, sir.
Come closer. Come. You make me happy also.
Everything that is sweet has bitterness. Life is sweet, but it's bitter.
Stop crying now. I didn't believe you.
How can you tell me to stop crying when I'm still feeling pain and you just deceived me into this?
Sorry. Listen, when we do it 2 or 3 more again, it will master you.
Sins of the mother, sins of the mother, sins of the mother. Oh, this is not a dream, this is real. Whatever you saw in this world is what you real. This is not a dream, this is real. Whatever you saw in this world.
And my daughter is not back. This is unlike how. Eh? Hey. I hope nothing bad has happened to my daughter. Eh? What kind of problem is this? Or should I go and look for her in school? Maybe she's having an evening lesson.
Sins of the mother, sins of the mother, sins of the mother. Oh, this is not a dream, this is real. Whatever you saw in this world is what you real. This is not a dream.
And where are you coming from? Don't you come here. So where are you coming from by this time of the day?
From school. No, from Azuka's house.
Azuka's house? Why? What for? Eh? Why would you go to Azuka's house and stay up to this time without coming home first?
I had an assignment. We had an assignment we needed to do together in order to do it well.
Tochukwu, I'm not against you going to your friend's house to do assignment. But you were supposed to come home first and let me know before going. You almost gave me high blood pressure. Eh?
Mama, I'm sorry, it's never happened again.
Better not happen again, no. And when you were coming, I noticed changes in your mood.
Everything is easy for your eyes, yeah. Mama, should be everything in there easy for your eyes.
Where do you think we are going? Dressed like this, half naked. Eh?
Dad, thank God you said I'm half naked.
Hey!
Which means I'm not totally naked. I'm okay, right?
Jen, why do you want to kill me before my time? Get it come Menegi?
Why can't you let me have peace in my father's house? Eh? Oh, so you don't know, Abi? You think I don't know? Those small girls that used to follow around. Eh? Are they older than me? I'm asking you a question. Are they older than me?
What?
What?
Jen! Jen, please, have you forgotten that you are my only child? You don't have even a brother. And you are the only thing left for me, Jen. Is this why you left your school? All you do now is just beg all around the city. Jen, what is your problem? Jen! I'm gonna get here, man. Eh?
Dad, are you doing? I'm only little. I'm going somewhere. All this thing that you have seen, I don't understand. Eh? What is all this now, father?
Jen, will you go back inside?
I'm sorry. You see this thing I'm wearing? Eh? This sexy clothes I'm wearing. I'm going out with it. In fact, I have a date with my boyfriend. I don't have time for all this thing. Please don't disturb me again, father. Please. What kind of thing is all this now? So I can never have peace in our father's house.
Everything is easy for your eyes. Mama, should be everything in there easy for your eyes. But now your hand is there.
Jen!
Now your hand is there. If you just go to right there. If you just like. Forget tomorrow. No time for darling. If you just go right there. If you just bow mana, enjoy your life to the fullest. Forget tomorrow. No time for darling.
Patricia. Patricia.
Nine.
Where is Dochi?
She's inside. Nine. This one that you came back, you did not even tell me anything. Eh? You know that you went somewhere and we are expecting something to come out from that place. And you did not even tell me anything.
I went somewhere and I have seen the person I went to see and we have discussed.
So how did it go?
Question and answer. I said I have seen the person and we have discussed. My friend called Tochi for me.
Nine. If you name me, Tochuku. Tonwa. Tochi. What is your problem? I've been calling you. Your father is calling you.
No, don't worry. No, come and sit here. Sit. How was school today?
School was fine, Papa.
How much is that your school fees?
18,000 naira.
18,000. You know you are my daughter. I can do anything for you.
Forget tomorrow. No time for darling. If you choose enjoy your life to the fullest. Forget tomorrow. No time for darling.
This is 20,000 naira. Pay your school fees with 18,000 naira and keep the 2,000 naira in case you want to buy all these small things.
What? 20,000 naira, Papa? Oh my God.
Tochuku, what is it? This is supposed to make you happy now. Why are you crying?
Mama, you don't understand. These are tears of joy. I'm very happy.
Didn't you expect to get the money today?
I don't understand. We have been on this matter since.
Thank you, Papa.
Hey, Nani, what is the meaning of this one?
She's your daughter. You should go and ask her.
Wow. Nani, kikwan maka iwe na wa ino kule ebe. Nani.
You know my money.
I know it's your money. Nani, I know it's your money. But how can you bring money and you just put it under?
You need the money.
I need money
that's
now.
what you should tell me, that you need the money. Last, let me give you money. Are you not my wife?
Yeah, give me money now.
Wait. This money I'm giving you now. By tomorrow, I want to eat in salad soup. I want to eat in salad soup.
Sins of the mother. Sins of the mother. Sins of the mother.
I don't see my school. Especially this old far for money that my father just gave me now.
This is not a dream. This is real. Whatever you saw in this world.
What do I do with this money?
This is not a dream. This is real. Whatever you saw in this world is what you read. This is not a dream. This is real. Whatever you saw in this world is what you read.
Why are you going to school without eating your food?
No, I'm not hungry.
You are not hungry. Tochku, since when did that one start? That you go to school without eating and you be telling me, Mama, I'm not hungry. Are you okay?
Mama, I'm fine. I don't just have appetite to eat.
You don't have appetite? Tochku. And it's as if you've put on some weight. Are you sure you are fine, Tochku?
No, I'm fine. I rush for school.
Everything is easy for your eyes, yeah. Mama, should be everything in there easy for your eyes.
Is my daughter sick and she's hiding it from me or what? How can she not be eating and she's adding weight? Hey, I hope she's fine, though. It's okay.
What do you have to say?
Tessy, I don't know. For some days now, I've been feeling somehow. I've been feeling very weak. Even when I'm taking my bath and I touch my breast, my nipples hurt. I've never seen my period since last month. I don't know what to think of it.
Hey, you mean all this is happening to you?
Yes.
I don't want to believe that you're pregnant.
What? Pregnant? Ha! Let's not think to that direction, no. That can't happen. Let's not even think that way. Ha! Not because of this thing, pregnant.
I'm not sure yet. Let me ask you. That very day that you slept with Chief Izuogu, did you remember him using protection on you?
Protection? He didn't.
Hey! Tochi, that is it though.
What is what?
We don't have to conclude yet. You see, we are going to run a pregnancy test now.
Ha!
Let's go.
Let it not be true.
We have to forget about school today.
No, it cannot happen, no.
Tochi, you are waiting for school. Let's go.
So I'm really pregnant. See, you have killed me.
See, Tochi, you don't have to blame me. I just helped you and it worked. Eh? We have to look for a solution.
Okay, tell me. Now, how can I go to school with this condition? No, tell me, what's the use of this school? Like, what's the purpose now? How?
You don't have to blame me. See, I have to call Chief Izuogu. At least, let him know what is happening.
This is not a dream. This is real. Whatever you saw in this world is what you real. This is not a dream. This is real. Whatever you saw in this world is what you real. This is not a dream.
Tochi, his number is off. What do we do now?
You're asking me what do we do? After you deceived me into this, you're asking me what do we do?
I'm sorry. See, there's this place that Chief Izuogu used to take me to do abortion. Yes, I have done it there several times and it worked. See, the doctor is very perfect. He will help you.
Wait, Tessy. You mean to tell me that you have done abortion many times?
It's not a new thing.
Huh.
I do not see anything that is wrong there. We have to go. We don't have another option. Please come with me.
Sins of the mother. Sins of the mother.
Tessy, as you can see, Mama, we're going out. What is it?
Doctor, my friend is pregnant. And I want you to get rid of it. Remember, you have been helping me. Help her, please. And money can never be a problem. I promise you that. We'll pay you well. Please.
You're crying. No, you're crying. When you were busy jumping from one bed to another, sleeping with different men, you never knew it would result to this. Now look at what you've done to yourself. A small girl like you. By the way, how old are you?
I'm 18 years, sir.
18 years? Incredible. I believe your parents sent you to school to be useful to yourself. Isn't it?
Yes.
And you are busy sleeping around. I'm disappointed.
I'm sorry, sir. It won't happen again.
You better be sorry for yourself. So, how will your parents feel if they find out you're pregnant? I'm asking you.
So you can say whatever you feel like saying to me. You can even beat me if you want. I won't blame you. My friend Azuka warned me about my relationship with Tessy, but I wouldn't listen. Now she deceived and pushed me into this.
Tochi, why are you saying this?
Will you shut up? One more word from you. Of course, I know you are the cause of everything. You're already a condemned girl. I know how many times you've come to this hospital. You've done abortions with different girls. Now you've succeeded in ruining this small girl's life. I'm highly disappointed.
Doctor, I'm sorry.
You better be sorry for yourself. Yes. So tell me, who is responsible for this pregnancy?
There's one chief. It's Yodo. I did it with him because I needed to pay for my school fees.
Shit. That man again. Tessy, leave us.
I should go.
I say leave us. Come. Do you really want to do the abortion?
Not really, doctor. I heard of someone that did it and didn't come out alive, and I'm scared.
Good, good. Now you're talking. Now listen, I will make provision of where you're going to stay that will be very safe. Someone that will take care of you till you put to bed. How about that?
Thank you, doctor. I really like that. I really appreciate it. I don't just want my parents to find out about this.
Okay, no problem. But the problem is, what are you going to tell your parents where you're going to? What will you tell them?
Don't worry, doctor. I'll think of something. I can handle it.
You can handle that?
Yes, doctor.
Okay, if that is the case, no problem. If this fool, this Tessy you call a friend.
Your girlfriend is pregnant.
My girlfriend is pregnant. Who is she?
Tochi now, the small girl that you disvirgin and gave her 40,000 naira.
Oh, that small black girl.
Oh, thank God you remember.
But that's not the reason you should come to my house without even calling me on phone. You're supposed to call me on phone. If my daughter now hear what we are saying, what will you say?
Look at this man, oh. I will tell her what happened now. Sure, I will tell her what happened.
That I pregnant a woman?
Before, uncle, have you not been doing that with so many girls? Even Tessy, including me here. Even because of this small change, chicken change that you used to give us by now.
Okay, you call it small change. Then what do we do?
As usual, terminate the pregnancy.
Terminate the pregnancy. Okay, I'm coming.
That's what you always do. That's what you do to me. That's what you do to Tessy. As usual, terminate.
This is 70,000 naira.
70,000 naira?
Yes.
What of my transport?
Your transport is there, 20,000 naira. See, go and meet Dr. Eze. Tell him that it's me. He will know what to do. I don't want to hear any excuses.
You should go and meet Dr. Eze, Abi. Dr. Eze. Okay, no problem. Thank you.
See, make sure you do it well. Everything work perfectly.
I'm heard.
I don't want to hear any excuse.
I beg you, I don't hear it.
Look at them. Look at them.
What is happening here? Who is she? And what is that money for?
I will explain to you later. Let's go inside.
What is the meaning of that?
Okay. I want her to give my friend. In short, I gave her to, why must I explain to you?
You see, I don't trust you. Neither do I trust that girl. You see her eyes, they were shining like a cat. Father! Hey! Overhead! What did I even hear? Overhead are talking about pregnancy, yes! Father, did you get her pregnant?
Nonsense.
Hey! Look at this man. I don't trust him. I don't even trust that girl. Is she pregnant for him? Father, wait! No content. Father! Wait, you must explain to me.
Everything is easy for your eyes, yeah. Mama, should be everything is easy for your eyes, yeah. But now your handy there, now your handy there. If you just go,
money. Plenty money. Hey! So I should not carry this plenty money. I'm going to give it to Toshi, Abi. The money this foolish man gave me, I should carry it and go and give it to Toshi. No, it's not only Toshi. The day Toshi visited him at the hotel, he gave Toshi 40,000 naira. And Toshi did not even bother to give me or Tessy even 1,000. So I will not carry this plenty money. I'm going to give to Toshi. No. It's not only Toshi. Say money. If Toshi like, let her give birth to twins. No, in fact, triplets. Go and born twins. Go and born triplets. It's not my business. This one. Ooh, thank you, Chief.
Nine. No. Let me give you. Nine.
Why again? Eat your food.
Nine, even make us my akadonka.
everything is easy for your eyes, yeah. Mama, should be everything is easy for your eyes, yeah. But now your handy there, now your handy there. If you just go to right there.
Have you eaten your food?
Yes, Mama.
Please, Tochukwu, make sure you come back early from school. Then come to the shop and pick what you used to prepare dinner, okay?
Okay, Mama.
Tochukwu, come here. Turn your back. This your bag is so big. What is inside it?
Papa, we're having exams, so I decided to bring all my notebooks from school back home so I can read well.
Your books. Turn well, let me look at it. Your books.
Nine. This is the bag she's been going to school with now. What is the difference in this bag now?
The difference is that the bag is too big. What is inside that bag?
The bag has always been...
Your books. Okay.
Sins of the mother, sins of the mother, sins of the mother. Oh, this is not a dream. This is real. Whatever you saw in this world is what you real. This is not a dream. This is real. Whatever you saw in this world is what you real. This is not a dream. This is real.
Where are you going to? This is not the way to our school.
I'm going to run an errand for my mom.
Okay, in that case, I'm going to follow you and we will go to school afterwards.
Oh, don't worry, I'll meet you in school shortly.
Why? You see, I've been observing you closely. You no longer come to school. You don't visit me at home anymore. All this started when you became so close to Tessy. Is there anything you're not telling me?
But why would you think that? I can't hide anything from you now. Don't worry, yeah? Let me quickly rush and come back. I'll meet you in school.
Okay.
Sins of the mother, sins of the mother, sins of the mother. Oh,
she's really hiding something from me. But soon, I'll find out.
This is real. Whatever you saw in this world is what you reap.
Doctor, you're welcome.
Sister Vivian, how are you?
I'm fine. Okay. My dear, you're welcome. Let's go inside.
No, don't worry. I'm in a hurry. You remember the girl I told you about on phone the other day?
Yes.
Yes. This is the girl I told you about the other day on phone.
Yes.
Okay, good. This is my sister, Sister Vivian. I told you that will be coming to stay with you.
Good day, ma.
You're welcome. What is that your name again?
Tochi, ma.
Tochi, you're welcome. Be free. Feel free. Make yourself comfortable. I promise you'll be fine.
Thank you.
It's okay. I better take my leave now. Please, Tochi, remember what I told you. Do not hesitate. Anything you need, just ask her. She'll provide it for you. It's okay. Let's get to the car. You bring your bag.
I'm afraid. Don't know where to go now.
Person around like Billionaire. What is it?
Nai, Tochukwu is not back.
Tochukwu is not back?
She's not back from school.
Meaning?
I've not seen her since she left in the morning. I've not seen Tochukwu.
Did you send her somewhere?
Nai, I did not send her anywhere. The two of us were here in the morning when she was leaving. I told her to come to the shop and pick what she will use for dinner. She did not come. I came back now. I did not see her. I don't know where she is. Hey.
Wait. That big bag she was carrying in the morning. Are you sure she did not travel?
Travel, Nai. Travel to where now? Where does she know that she wants to travel to? Nai.
But wait. Are you sure she's not in her friend's house? That's little Azoka. That's her school friend.
I don't know, Nai.
Because last time she came back late, you told me she was there doing her assignment. Are you sure she's not there for her assignment?
Maybe she is, Nai. Let's go. Let's go and check.
Did you lock the door?
Nai, leave the door. Let's go.
Everything is easy for your eyes, yeah. Mama, should be everything in there easy for your eyes, yeah. But now your happiness.
You mean you are pregnant?
Yes.
Hey! Happiness, how could you? How could you do this kind of mistake? A big girl like you, Happiness. Happiness, let me ask you, who is responsible?
It's Theophilus. My father has sworn that I must marry. My life is finished.
Happiness.
I'm
You
finished.
see this time, you have to carry on.
This life is full of fun. Just to play your game very well. I hope when I'm good, my kid yeah, I like Jackie. Anything where you want in this life, there your handy. Use what you have, get what you don't have. Enjoy your life to the fullest. Forget tomorrow, one day, no time for darling.
What will I do? What will I do to stop my daughter from this her behavior? She even dropped out of school just with chasing men around. I even promised even to take her to make her graduate. The last thing I did. What will I do? What will I do to stop my daughter from this kind of life she's living? She even dropped out of school just to be chasing men around. I even want her to graduate, even though if the last thing I did for her.
Enjoy your life to the fullest. Forget tomorrow. One day, no time for that.
How can you be pregnant? How can you be pregnant? How to miss pregnant? Why did you get yourself pregnant? Why did you allow yourself to get pregnant now? Hey, why did you allow yourself to get pregnant? And the most important, I don't even know who is the father of the child. Who do I impose this pregnancy on now? Who now? Who do I impose it on now? Hey! Michael. Michael will deny it now. Michael will deny it. He knows I have other boyfriends. What should I do? Should I do? Jane, you don't fuck up. Oh, Jane, you don't fuck up. Hey! Hey! Okay. Abortion. I think that's the only alternative. Jane, you want to go for abortion, though? Yeah? Hey! Fuck up. Will I be pregnant now? Me will be sharp girl. Hey. You know, chicken boy. Hey. Hey. To go for abortion. That's really alternative. I can't give birth to this child though. My father will disown me. I can't give birth to this child. I have to go for abortion.
Just to play your game very well. I don't wanna mugu. Makigo mugu. Yeah, I like Jackie. Anything where you want in this life, there your handy. Use what you have, get what you don't have. Enjoy your life to the fullest. Forget tomorrow. One day, no time for darling. If you just good, if you just
my God, what do I do now? What will I do to stop my daughter from living this kind of life she's living? She refused to go back to school to finish her education and become a graduate. At least, let it be what she has achieved in her life. But instead, she's busy chasing after men here and there. But come on. By the way, how did she know that I have some small girls as a friend? Who told her? Anyway, that one will not bother me. My concern is to make her be useful for herself. I have the money to give her the best education in her life, but she's not helping matters. What do I do now? What do I do? What have I done to myself? Look at how my reckless life destroyed my life and the life of my daughter. Even my wife also died on heart attack because of my reckless life. Now I'm alone. No wife, no son, no daughter. Who will replace me in my family? Life. Now I know that nothing lasts forever in this world. I advise my fellow men to learn from my past experience,
I am now waiting for the day my Creator will call upon me to leave this world to come and answer for my case, how I spend my life on earth.
Everything is easy for your eyes.
God, please, forgive me. Forgive me, oh Lord. Forgive me.
If you just go to there, if you just bow to there, mana. I am bitter. It looks like dream, but it's not dream at all. My past life, my mistake. I wish I can turn the hand of time again. Oh,
Jen, please stand up. Please stand up. Please forgive me, Jen, please. Jen! No, stand up, stand up. No, stand up. Jen! Oh my goodness. Hey!
This is not a dream.
My only child.
This is
Jen,
real.
please stand up. Jen, please stand up. Stand up.
Hey!
Hey!
This is not a dream.
I didn't try her well.
This is
oh
real.
My God. Jen, please.
Whatever
please stand up. Please wake up. Please wake up.
This is not a dream. This is real. Whatever you saw in this one is what you read.
Happiness, what is wrong with you? Eh? You look so sick and tattered. Wait, does it mean that your husband is not taking good care of you or what? Eh?
Tessy, I am not sick, but do I look better than a sick person? Eh? Oh. My dear, I'm in hell in that house. In the house of his 3 lioness called wives. See, Tessy, I cannot drink water peacefully and keep the cup. Every day, every day in that house is one problem to another. My prayer is that I give birth to my child, if possible.
Wait. Does it mean that your husband is not even doing anything to stop those women from tormenting you?
That one? Please, let's not go there. My only prayer, I'm praying to God. I've made a mistake, but I deliver my child safely.
Well, I don't even know what to say, but you have to carry your cross. Ibago bonebago. Yes, so you cannot come out. You have entered, so you have to know how to fix things.
Tessy, you lied. See this particular marriage, it's not a do or die affair.
You think so?
Yes, I know so. Me, happiness. I know so. Let me run along.
Everything is easy for your eyes, Mama. Should be everything in there easy for your eyes, but now your hand there, now your hand there. If you just
I'm afraid, don't know where to go now. Hard times may have put you down. But they will not last forever.
Yes. Again?
When all is said and done,
again?
You'll be wise and strong.
Again?
I'm afraid, don't know where to go now. I'm afraid. don't know where to go now.
Let's go again.
I'm afraid, don't know where to go now. Hard times may have put you down.
Doctor, you're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Nurse, you're welcome. Yes.
Tochi, how are you?
Doctor, I'm not fine, no. This baby just dancing inside my tummy. I don't even understand.
Fine, it will soon be over. That's why I'm here, okay? Just relax, you'll be fine. It's alright. I can see you are doing some exercise.
Yes.
Just continue.
Okay.
I am tired.
No, you don't have to be tired. It's for your own good, okay? Okay, now that I'm here, alright, let's go. Oh yeah.
Yes.
Up. Okay, down. Up.
Doctor.
Okay, it's okay. Nurse, get it back.
Yes,
Let's go. Let's go. Don't worry. Don't worry. Nurse, fast.
Oh, doctor.
I'm afraid,
Just try.
don't know where to go now. Hard times may have put you down. But they will not last forever. When all is said and done, you'll be wiser, stronger. I'm afraid, don't know where to go now. I'm afraid, I don't know where to go now.
Sister Vivian.
Doctor, what happened?
God is good. God has done it again. Congratulations. She delivered a bouncing baby girl.
You mean Tochi delivered a baby girl?
Exactly.
What about she, Tochi?
Oh, you need not to bother. She's perfectly okay.
Thank you! God, I bless your name! God, I worship you! Thank you, God! Thank you, Jesus! Thank you, Jesus! Doctor, please.
You know what?
Yes.
Okay, what you do right now, you join her in the room, you join the nurse, and clean up the room.
Immediately. Everything is...
7 months now since my sister Tochi went missing. And the police are not doing or saying anything about it. Despite all the money you gave to them. Does it mean that what the second prophet prophesied, what he said, does it mean that it's true? Does it mean that it's true? Eh?
My son, what do you want me to do? I am tired. I am confused. The 3 prophets we went to said 3 different things. The first one said that Tochi is kept in a cage, waiting for her turn to be used for sacrifice. Then the second one said that Tochi is dead, that her body has been cut into pieces. But the third one said that Tochi is alive, that she will return. Now, then which one do I follow? Which one do I believe? Which one do I take?
Nai, I believe that my daughter is alive. And she will return to us in this house. Although in my dream she wasn't feeling fine, but I know that God will bring back my daughter. I don't care if she's feeling fine or not feeling fine. But I will see my daughter. She will return to me in this house. She will return to me in this house. I will see my daughter in this house.
It's okay.
I will see my daughter.
Sins of the mother, sins of the mother, sins of the mother. Oh, this is not a dream, this is real. Whatever you saw in this world is what you real. This is not a dream, this is real. Whatever you saw in this world is what you real. This is not a dream, this is real. Whatever you saw in this world is what you real. I am bitter, it looks like dream, but it's not dream at all. My past life, my mistake. I wish I can turn the hand of time again. Oh, I'm in a
My dear, what is it? You look worried.
Auntie, something has been bothering me.
And what is that?
I've been wanting to ask you this.
Okay, go ahead.
Ever since I came to your house, I've not seen any child or children around. But I've seen wedding photos with 3 different men, 3 different wedding arrangements, but I'm not seeing any man.
Hey, my daughter, it's a long story. Leave that for another day.
I'm ready to hear it all. I don't have anything doing.
You say what? You want me to tell you?
Yes, please.
Okay, I will tell you. My daughter, when I was in my 20s, during my period of university, I met with bad girls. You know university?
Yeah.
Both bad and good ones. Unfortunately to me, foolishly, I followed the bad ones. Sleeping with different men.
Wow.
Doing series of abortions. Taking pills like water. Clubbing around. Drinking all kinds of alcohol. Thinking I was living a better life. I didn't know I was destroying my future. When I was finally done with school, I got a nice job and I got married. After some years, I couldn't conceive. I couldn't bear my husband any child. He got another girl pregnant outside the house. He threw me out. After, I got married again the second time. the same thing. The same thing happened. It was after some years of my third marriage. My daughter, that is the end of my story.
I'm really sorry about that.
It's okay.
So you mean to tell me Dr. Eze is not your brother?
No. He is not my brother. He is my doctor who promised me that he will make me happy if he sees the opportunity. Yes. That is why he brought you to me. But I have a sister. Her name is Esther. She's married and with kids.
I'm afraid, don't know where to go now.
It's okay.
Hard times may have put you down.
When do you want us to see? Tomorrow. By what time? Tomorrow, by 10 o'clock in the morning, no problem. No problem. Oh. Tochi. Tochi. Why are you dressed in your school uniform? Carrying the baby with bag? Huh?
Auntie, I've been wanting to tell you this since last night, but you came back home late.
What is it you wanted to tell me? Oh, Mama. Sweet. What is it?
I'm not ready to be a mother. You can keep her.
I'm afraid.
Why are you doing this? Where are you going?
Don't know where to go now.
Where do you want to go?
I think it's best I go back home. I have to go back to my parents' house. They must be looking for me. They might even think I'm dead. I have to go and prove to them I'm alive.
Tochi, you said something about the baby. Where will you tell your parents that you have been?
Don't worry. I can handle that.
Tochi. Okay, let me get some money.
Don't worry. You have done more than enough for me.
I'm afraid.
Tochi.
Don't know where to go.
What name will I give the baby?
Like I said, she's your baby. You can name her whatever you feel like. Bye-bye.
Where to go now?
Oh, my baby. Oh, Mommy is gone. What name will I give to you?
I'm afraid.
I name you Joy.
Everything that is sweet has bitterness. Life is sweet, but it's bitter. We should be careful how we live our life.
Is that not my sister, Tochi? Tochi? Mama? So you are alive? Mama? Papa? Why are you shouting? You mean like that? Hey! Chineke! Tochukwu! Hey! Tochukwu! So you are alive?
What is happening here?
Hey! Hey! Tochi! Tochukwu! Tunga!
Is that you?
Hey! Tunga mo!
Wait! Wait!
Tochi is alive! Tochi is alive! Tochi is alive! Hey! Tochi, Mama! Hey! Let's go inside and know what the problem is. Are you? Go! Hey! Mama! Stop asking how she's okay. Hey! Don't let's go inside. Let's go inside. You tell us what happened. Hey! Papa, come now! Come! Why are you looking at her like that? Let's go so that you hear from her. Papa, Mama, Tuchi here looks so healthy as I'm seeing her now. Look at the way she's shining. She does not look like someone who was held under captive.
Honestly, yes. They really took good care of you.
They feed these girls well and buy cream for them to look attractive to these men.
Hey.
That didn't stop me. I kept praying, I kept fasting because I just didn't want to live that kind of life. That's how the head called us this morning, me and two other girls. And they asked us to go. At first I thought maybe it was a trap or something. He even gave us transport fare. That's how we now left home. That's how I got here.
Thank you, Father, for bringing our daughter back to us in safety. Hey!
Wait. I want to understand something. Tochi, that particular morning, this incident happened, you left this house with that big bag. We went to your friend's house, Azoka, and they asked her if she saw you anywhere. She said yes, she saw you, that you told her that your mother sent you on an errand. Where were you going that day?
Yes, that's true.
Ha, Papa. Azuka said she saw me that morning. Where? How?
Are you telling us that you did not see Azuka that day? Or telling her that your mother here sent you somewhere?
I didn't too. Because why did she help me when they were kidnapping me?
Okay, Nai. Let us leave all these arguments, eh? Let's just thank God for bringing our daughter back to us in safety.
Yes. And also thank God for the kidnappers that gave her transport to come back home.
Yes, so, eh? Okay, if I carry on.
Everything is easy for your eyes, Mama. Everything is easy for your eyes.
Mama, I have to go in now and start packing so we can go back to the city. You know, my husband Steve, he has been calling consistently that we should come back. Mother, my husband, he doesn't joke with Junior and I. I know. So I have to go. I've been waiting for Papa. Where did he go to? I don't even know where he went to that made him stay this long.
Your father. Don't worry, my daughter. But
just don't worry. I'll visit again, but that will be after I have put to bed. You know, go.
It's okay. But I really wish that you and my grandson will spend more days with us.
But you know, I would have really loved to do that. But for my husband who has been calling, I know he has really missed us. Let me go now. I know. Let me go and wake him Junior up and so that we can start getting ready. No problem.
But tell him that one of these days I will come and visit you in the city.
Oh, Mama, that would be nice. I can't wait to have you.
Hey, my daughter.
Try your life to the fullest. Forget tomorrow. No time for darling.
Joy, are you not done eating?
I'm almost done, Mommy.
Please be fast. Let me take you to school. Wait. Are you going to school with all these books?
Yes, Mommy.
Hurry up.
Let me just wash up.
No. Leave it. When you come back from school, you wash them.
Let me get my shoes then.
Okay. Please hurry up and meet me outside.
Okay, Mom.
Too much love everywhere. Too much blessings. Oh my God.
Joy.
For sure, I'll be more. Baby, capture their heart, capture their soul, capture their eyes. They will do anything for you. The love is like no other, baby. I'm only jumping. Joy will do anything for you.
Joy! Joy, what are you still doing?
Mommy, I'm coming.
Please, hurry up.
Yes, Mommy.
Ah! Joy! My tummy. Joy! Joy, my tummy.
Mommy.
Joy!
Mommy, what's wrong? Do you want water? Mommy! Mommy, let's go to the hospital. Please get up. Mommy.
Joy, my
Mommy, let's go to the hospital. Let's go. Mommy, please. Let's just go to the hospital, please.
My daughter. No. I want to talk to you. I want to tell you something.
Mommy, whatever it is you want to say can wait now. Biko, let's just go.
Please, take my phone. Call the doctor. Okay, please.
Hello, doctor. My mom wants to talk to you.
Doctor. Doctor, the sickness has started again. I'm not sure if I will survive this.
Mommy.
Amen. Amen. Yes, but I'm not seeing any improvement. I'm getting weak. I'm getting weak. Okay, but I want to talk to her, after which she can bring me to the hospital.
Mommy, please. Mommy, please, let's just go, please.
Joy, my daughter, I want to talk to you. Some years back, a pregnant girl came to me. She pleaded to me to allow her stay in my house and deliver her baby. Because she doesn't want her parents to find out that she was pregnant. She's just 18 years old. I was still in secondary school.
Hey, oh. Mommy, now, please. Please, Mommy.
No. After she gave birth to the baby, she decided to walk away. She abandoned the child. When I confronted her, she told me she didn't need the baby.
Mom.
It told me.
Mom.
Oh.
Mom, please. Please, let's just go to the hospital. I'm begging you. Biko, please.
I'm telling you this because you are the baby.
Oh God, hear my cry.
What?
no father.
Me?
Have no mother.
Yes.
It's you alone.
You are the baby.
Me? No. It's not true, Mommy. You're just saying that. Please, we need to go to the hospital, please.
My daughter Joy. You see, I'm telling you this because if I don't, people may not tell you the way you will understand it. Yes. My tummy.
Mommy.
Joy. You are not my biological daughter. I am not your biological mother. Yes. But no matter what, you are my daughter. And you belong to my family. It told me.
Let's just go to the hospital.
But he refused to take it. How do I convince him? Courage. Help me, Courage. Help me. Okay, now, he's only pointing his fingers on me, saying I'm the cause of all this problem. What do I do? God, please help me. I am here alone.
Have mercy, please. Just restore my womb. Father, I am here for you. Thank you, my God. Thank you, my Lord. Whatever I am, it is by your grace. Father, do not forsake me. Father, have mercy upon me. Even if it's just one shot, I will forever be grateful. I will worship you all my life. Have mercy. Do not allow me. Do not allow me. Do not allow me, Jesus. I know I've sinned against you. I've done so many things. Please restore my womb. Restore my womb. Please don't punish me for my past mistakes.
You know, I'm very happy your father's burial has come and gone in peace. You know, smoothly, you know, no quarrels before and after. Very befitting of a great man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Honestly, I miss my father. His death left a pain in my heart that can never be filled. My father was a good man.
Of course. Such a nice man.
Yeah.
And trust me when I say my next world, I would definitely will want that man as my father-in-law.
Oh, honey, that's so sweet.
Yes, of course.
You know, now it's just my mother in that whole house. Honestly, I don't even know how she's going to cope. You know, Paul, my brother, is now married and he's staying with the family abroad.
Yes.
So yes. I don't know how she's going to cope.
Well, that's not too much of a bother. Why don't you just, you know, invite her over, let her come stay here with us.
Eh?
Yes.
My mother?
Yes.
Coming to the city. You don't even know that woman. You know that is not possible. She will not do it. She will just tell you, what am I coming to the city to do? But I really don't know how she's going to cope all by herself.
Well, in that case, we'll just have to find somebody who will stay with her. You know, help out with all the necessary chores like cleaning the compound, washing the plates, you know, helping her out.
Oh, baby, you're so sweet. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
In that case, I'm going to call her sister, Auntie Rebecca. Let her start searching for someone.
All right. Okay. And whoever the person is will pay. Okay?
Oh, baby. Sometimes I wonder what my world would have looked like without you.
Much love everywhere.
I know. I love the way you love me.
Come back here. What is it? Where do you think we are going? You don't give me the money I asked for. Money? What do you want to do with the money?
I told you to give me money for food. The ones we have has finished.
You know you're very stupid. But wait, Tessy, have you sit down and asked yourself a question? All this food you are preparing, have you asked yourself a question? Which child is eating it with you? Seriously, have you asked yourself that question?
Do you know you are a fool? Do you know you are a fool? Oh, you want to talk to me now, Nabi? Wait, let me ask you, in case you have forgotten. We dated for 7 years before we got married. I got pregnant for you 4 good times. What did you do? You asked me to abort it because you're not ready to father a child. Oh, now you're ready to father a child. Everything is blocked. Eh?
Will you shut up your mouth? Just look at yourself, Tessy. Do you see the reason I say that you are a fool? I asked you to abort a baby, you abort it. Do you see? So if I ask you to go and kill somebody, you go and kill somebody. Tessy, do you see that you are a fool? You are just a mistake to me. If I had known Tessy that you are like this, I wouldn't have married you, Tessy. You are just a mistake.
Me? A mistake? Me, Tessy? A mistake? You can, Okay.
You have filled yourself with so many abortions. You don't even have a womb anymore. You are living here in my house telling me about food.
You know this problem. You have put all my
I'm a man. I can marry another wife. Yes. I don't care.
You are calling to thinking another man.
Yes, I don't care. I'm a man.
It will happen again now.
Tessy, we will see.
Don't worry. I know what to do. It will happen.
Tessy.
It will happen again now. It will happen. I know what to do. I know what to do.
You can do whatever you want to do. The only thing I know is I will marry another wife.
Don't worry. You come and meet me in this house.
Do anything I want.
Don't worry. You come and meet me in this house. Again and me, Me, Tessy. Don't worry. I know what to do. Don't worry.
Frank, get up. I want us to talk.
Oh, this woman. Allow me to sleep now. Let me rest. It's past midnight.
Please get up. I want us to talk right now, Frank.
Okay. What is it? Tell me.
Frank, I don't understand you. Why are you running away from going to the hospital? What is chasing you from the hospital to do tests that will be good for you and I? You don't even care about the tests that I've done. You don't even ask me how far with the tests I've done. What's going on with you?
How will I follow you to the hospital when I know that I'm okay and perfectly well? I'm healthy.
You can't cease to amaze me, Frank. You're perfectly well, you're healthy. Frank, I have been to the hospital several times. I've done multiple of tests. All have proven that I am okay. Nothing is wrong with me. You've not done one like this is not done. You've not even gone to the hospital. Not talk of doing tests. Frank, what is it? I don't understand. What's going on with you? You say you're okay. But if I bring medicine in this house, you'll be the first person to finish it. And you still claim that you're healthy and perfectly well. Can you hear yourself? Can you hear yourself, Frank?
So joining you to take the medicine you bring home is not a crime. Because I'm helping you to solve the problem we have in this house. Don't worry. I know what to do. From this day onward, I will never take any medicine you bring home.
Hey, helping me. Frank, you say you're helping me to solve the problem. So it's not my problem, it's not our problem. Frank, I don't understand you anymore, sincerely. You're okay. You're perfectly well. But you finished the drugs in the house.
Something is wrong somewhere. Frank, is there something you're covering up? Is there something you're not telling me? Because I want to know. Are you impotent? I asked, are you impotent? Tell me now so I can leave, so I can find my way, because I don't understand this. You don't want to go to the hospital? You don't even want to do tests? You finish the medicine in the house and you still claim you're okay? No, Frank, you're impotent. I'm telling you that you're impotent, Frank. Prove me wrong and let's go to the hospital. Yes.
Me impotent. And you said you want to leave. Okay. Excuse me.
Frank, you want to sleep? I can sleep. It's alright. Frank, you will sleep. I know what to do.
Oh God, hear my cry.
Mommy, why are you doing this? Why are you doing this to me? Please, Mommy, just open your eyes. Please. Please don't leave me. Please, Mommy, I'm begging you. Just say something to me. Please. If you leave me, who do I stay with? Who will take care of me? Who will be there for me? Just who? And now you told me you are not my biological mother. How do you want me to feel? How do you want me to cope? I don't even know where my supposed biological mother is. What she looks like. Where she's... I don't know anything. Please, Mommy, please. I'm begging you. I don't know where to start from. Just don't leave me, please. Please, Mommy. Say something. Just open your eyes, please.
Joy. This is why you're crying. Is my sister's sickness that serious?
Since we came, she has been like this. She has not said a word or even opened her eyes. Then the doctor said she has cancer of the lungs.
What? Cancer of the lungs?
And that it has gotten to the final stage.
What? Oh my God. Sister. Sorry, my sister. Nothing will happen to you in Jesus' name. Hey.
Nothing will happen to her. Nothing can happen to her. Mommy, just open your eyes, please. Please.
She should not die, oh. Yes, who will pay my children's school fees again? Hey. Sorry, sister. Joy.
Mommy.
Joy.
Mommy, I'm here.
Where is my sister?
I'm here, sister, and I'm here. Sister. Yes, sister.
Sister, please take care of my daughter Joy. I don't want her to suffer, to lack anything. Remember what I told you about how she came into my life and make my life better. Please, I don't want her to lack anything, especially her school. My daughter Joy now is your responsibility. Please promise me you will take good care of her. Because of Joy, I'm dying a happy woman.
Sister, don't say this. You are not dying.
Yes.
You will not die, sister. You will not die in Jesus' name.
Please don't die. Mommy, please. You will do everything for me. Please don't die. Don't say this, please.
Remember all I told you. Sister, please, just think. Promise me.
I will, sister, I will.
Joy.
Mommy.
Joy.
Mommy.
Give me your hand. Esther.
Sister.
Give me your hand. Esther.
Sister, what are you doing?
Good. Care of my daughter. Joy.
No. Sister, please open your eyes. Sister. Oh, doctor! Doctor! Hey, come here. Hey. Where are you going to?
I'm going inside.
Oh, you're going inside? Who is going to bring all this inside the car? Where is the key to the house?
I have it.
Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me! Come on, go and bring them out. We're going inside, madam.
Why would you ask only Joy to get all the whole things in the house? What happens to my hand and that of Isabel? Dad, are you not here? Are you not saying anything?
What do you want me to say? Your mom has the final say. She's in charge.
Dad. Chike, get inside. Isabella, let's go. Chike, is it me, your mother, you're talking to like this? Don't get me angry, Chike.
Isabella, where are you going? Come and carry this bag. Don't shout.
No, bro, Chike, but mommy already asked.
So this is our house now. This house is beautiful.
You can say that again.
Point of correction, young girl. This house doesn't belong to us. This house belongs to late Auntie Vivian. Our father here doesn't even have the money to put up this kind of structure. As a matter of fact, this house belongs to Joy.
Chike, are you mad? Are you mad, Chike? Why would you tell your sister that this house does not belong to your father?
Mom, let the truth be told. This house doesn't belong to our father. This house belongs to late Auntie Vivian. We all know this. See, you and I know that if not that Auntie Vivian died, we all here would have been chased out by our landlord. And you know what that means? Embarrassment. So let's just say the truth.
Chike, get out of here. Get out! Get out of here!
Mom, I'm just saying the truth. It's just an...
I said get inside.
Mom, please, I would always want to tell you the truth. You see the way you spoke to Joy earlier today? That wasn't nice. Okay, I saw it and I felt it. That was just harsh. I just want to tell you.
Get out! I said get out!
Chike, so because I'm keeping quiet, that is why you're running your mouth! Running your mouth! Eh? That's why you're running your mouth anyhow! One more word from you. One more word from you, you see what I will do to you. When I get out from here, I'm not fear.
Holy, can you imagine this? This boy is gradually losing it. Is he going mental or what? What is wrong with him?
I don't know. Maybe he has started smoking something. Are you aware of something? Is he smoking?
I suspect that. Because the way he talks to us now, without fear.
them I cry. I have no father, have no mother.
So Mommy, Vivian isn't my biological mother. And now she's dead, leaving me in the hands of this family that I don't even know what my fate will be. But still, Mommy Vivian treated me like I was her biological daughter. She took care of me. God, please help me. I really don't know the hell I'll go through living with this family. But my biological mother, who is she? Where is she? If I even see her, will I recognize her? Does she know me?
I have no father, have no mother. It's you alone.
God, please help me.
Oh,
too much love everywhere, too much blessings. Oh my God, what a beautiful soul. I'll be more. I'm a little man. Baby, you captured their heart. Oh, baby, you captured their soul. Oh, baby, you captured their eyes. They will do anything for you. The love is like no other. Oh, baby, I'm a little man. Oh, baby, darling, they will do anything.
And what is happening here? Huh?
We're just seeing a movie.
You're seeing a movie. And what is she doing here? Hey, young lady, what are you doing here? Have I not warned you never to come and sit in this sitting room? Have I not?
But, Auntie, this is my house. This is where I live with my mommy.
Point of correction. My late sister Vivian was never your mother. You are not related to her by blood. So don't call her your mother. She's not. Because you are living under the same roof with my family, you now felt you have the right to sit in my sitting room and be watching television. Right now, get up from there. Get into your room. Go and pack your things and move to the boys' quarters.
I'm afraid. Don't know.
Please, honey, let this poor girl be. She can stay with us.
And I say no.
Please, Mom, now. Please. Come on, Mom, please. Please, let her stay. Please. Please.
I refuse. She is moving to the boys' quarters. I said, get out!
Forever. When all is said and done, you'll be wise and strong.
Enough of all
Yeah,
this.
Esther.
Enough of all this, Dad. Come on, Mom, with due respect. Allow her stay. Allow her stay. This is not making any sense.
I said no.
Look, there's enough room in this house. Let her stay in one of the rooms. Mom, why would you chase her out to the boys' quarter? It is not fair.
Listen, Chike. Chike, don't allow me change it for you.
As a matter of fact, this house belongs to Joy.
Chike!
Yes?
How can you say this house belongs to Joy?
Does it belong to you?
She's not even Auntie Vivian's daughter.
So?
And we are not blood relations. So let her go.
Dad, honestly, this is not fair. I don't buy the idea of Joy leaving this house to the boys' quarter. I've just said my own, and I just want you to understand that. Joy is not leaving this house.
Chike.
She stays. She stays, Mom.
Chike, I will cut your feathers.
Yeah, Esther.
Chike, I will cut your feathers.
Esther.
Yes.
I don't like what you just did.
And who demanded for your opinion? Okanwa? Who demanded for your opinion?
What is going on? I mean, you stayed quite long, you know? I mean,
Yes, Doc. Yes, you said I should... Doc? Doc, why do you have this look on your face?
I'm sorry. We lost the baby.
What did you just say?
Yes.
What did you just say?
We lost the baby. We tried to save the life of your baby. But no way. You have to take heart. Some days are like that. Excuse me.
Is a stronger. I'm afraid. Don't know where to go now. I'm afraid.
Mom, why are we just here eating, all happy without even Joy eating here with us? Is she not supposed to be here?
Maybe she's in her room or better still in the kitchen eating.
Did I ask you? Why must it be you that will be the person to answer this question?
But did you throw the question to any particular person? So anybody is entitled to answer the question.
And that person has to be you, Abby?
Chike.
What?
Chike! Please allow me to eat this my breakfast in peace. Don't let me lose my appetite.
Chike.
Dad.
Chike. Eat your food, please. Eat your food. Joy is fine.
I don't believe you. I don't believe any of you. Joy is not here. How do we believe she is fine? Since we moved into this house, Mom has practically changed. She's no longer the mother that I know. Come on, Dad. Even you have nothing to say about this thing? Come on, Dad. And why don't you have anything to say about this? Is it because this house is not your house? Is that why you don't have anything to tell your wife? Come on, Dad. Come on. Act like a man, okay? Act like a man that you are. This is not just right.
Chike! Chike! I'm warning you, Chike. Honey, better warn him.
It's enough. I said it's enough. Eat your food in peace.
Auntie, I'm off to school.
What? Going to where?
To school.
And who told you you'll be going to school in this house? Huh? Oh. Who will be taking care of your school expenses? Huh? Who? Do I look like your mother? Or does my husband look like your father? Or does any of my family members here look like any of your siblings? Huh? Listen, you better go inside and look for something good to do with your life. There's no going to school in this house.
Auntie, I don't understand. Why are you saying this? Auntie, before Mommy Vivian died, she handed me over to you and instructed that I must not lack anything, especially my school.
Really? Really? Okay. Go to her grave, wake her up, let her come and instruct me on what to do. Listen to me, young woman. You are not going to school in my house. And you have to listen to my instructions. Else, I will kick you out of my house to the streets where you belong. Nonsense. Get out! I said get out!
Mom, why are you doing this to this girl? Nonsense. Now take a look at this girl. When Auntie Vivian was alive, this girl was even looking more better than this. But look at how rough and slim she is now. Is this fair? This is not right. This is certainly not right.
Get out!
What is this? I don't like the way you are treating this girl.
Really?
Don't think because I've been keeping quiet doesn't mean I'm not a man.
Really?
It's just that this house belongs to your sister.
Don't you ever hit me like that again. If you don't like what I am doing or what I am saying, you get out there. Get your own apartment. You can live in there with whosoever you want to live with. It's none of my business. Be it cockroaches or lizards. as far as this my late sister's house is concerned, my word is law.
I'm afraid, don't know where to go now. I'm afraid, I don't know where to go.
Auntie Vivian, what are you doing here?
Tochi, why have you refused to come and take your daughter? Even now that you are married.
No. Auntie, I don't want that child. I want it to be a secret amongst my people. Especially my husband. I don't want him to know that I've already given birth before we got married. It will destroy my marriage.
How do you think you can keep it a secret?
Me? Ha, Auntie, I can keep it all. It will be a secret forever. Nobody will know about it. Nobody.
Tochi, come and take your daughter before it is too late. Come and take your child.
Oh, no. I don't need the child.
Come and take your child.
No,
Tochi.
I don't want the child. I don't want her. I don't want her. I don't want her. I don't want her. I don't want the child. 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 I don't want her. I don't want the child. I don't want her. I don't want the child. 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 I don't want her. I don't want her. I don't want her. I don't.
Hey! What's going on?
What?
Now what's happening? What's going on? You don't want whose child? What are you talking about?
You mean I've been talking with someone?
Yes, you have been talking. I don't understand. Whose child? You don't want whose child?
I don't know. I had a dream. Someone was forcing me to take her child.
Someone was forcing you to take her child?
Yes.
And who's this person?
Honey, don't worry. It's just a dream. Let's go back to sleep.
What do you mean it's just a dream? I mean, who's this person?
Honey, you worry too much. Let's sleep. Let's just sleep. It's just a dream, nothing. Let's just sleep. Sleep.
There's something I want to discuss with you.
Okay, I'm all ears.
That day at the hospital, before your sister died, remember what she told you about Joy? That you should take care of her like your own child. And you should make sure that she doesn't lack anything, especially in her schooling. She also said that Joy knows her property and has a share in her property. And this same Joy is the reason why she's dying a happy woman. Now let me ask you, all those things she told you, are you doing them? The answer is no. How do you think she'll be feeling wherever she is? That the girl she took as her own daughter and handed over to you, that same girl is passing through hell in your hands. Think about it. Ask yourself this question.
Okay, one. You are not seeing what I am saying.
How do you mean?
Now, let me ask you. Have you forgotten that Joy girl is a law student?
Mm-hmm.
And if I allow her to finish her studies,
she will graduate as a lawyer. That automatically gives her an edge over us. Now, you know that my sister adopted her from an unknown woman. That makes her automatically my sister's child. If she graduates as a lawyer, obviously, she will turn against us. She will sue us and throw us out of this house. Okay, Uma, let me ask you, do you have money to rent an apartment in this city? Do you?
You have a point there. You have a point there. But even at that, just take it easy with her. Please.
Okay, Uma, I know what I am doing. I know exactly what I am doing. I'm umanya kazu. My eyes are wide open, like that of the fish in a river.
Where are you going to? Won't be Nagao. You want to go and sleep in the other room? No, you lie. You're not going anywhere.
Why are you blocking my way?
Is that a question? Why are you asking that kind of stupid question? You should be ashamed of yourself, Frank. Frank, for crying out loud, I am your wife. When last did you touch me? Almost 3 months now, you've not even touched me, your wife. And you claim to be a man. Man, my foot. You should be ashamed of yourself. Frank, stay there, my friend. What is wrong with you, Frank? What is wrong with you?
So you want me to continue to waste my energy on you? All the ones we've done since I married you. Tell me, where's the result? See, the remaining energy I have, I want to reserve it for my new wife. Period. Yes.
New wife?
Yes.
In which house? This house. That's a big fat lie, Frank. It's a wife in this house. Try it now. Okay. You know, on a second thought, I don't even care. You can bring your wife. You want to marry Ewa? No problem. Go out there and get yourself a wife. Let me see the magic you will do to get her pregnant. You, because I know you're not a man. Let me see how you get her pregnant. Why Muabuasa? I will also go out there and find myself a real man to get pregnant for. Yes.
You want to go out there to get yourself pregnant by another man?
Is there anything wrong in that? Is there anything wrong in that? I go to you, Punjab. Do your own, let me do mine. I can't wait for tomorrow. I will go and get myself pregnant.
Don't try it.
I should not do what?
Don't try it.
I'm gonna call the father. Guy, I will get myself pregnant. When you hear me, go out there and marry your own wife. Go out there and get yourself married. Don't try it.
Don't try it. Don't try it.
Go to the room and go and sleep. Go and marry your wife. Don't sleep here. Baby, won't get here. Baby, won't get here. Tomorrow morning, I'll go meet another man to get me pregnant. I don't know how you again. Walk here.
Honey, you're still exercising. Okay, I'm about to go to the shop. Since you said you're not going out today, take care of yourself. Whenever you want to eat, tell Joy to prepare what you want. Okay?
It's okay. Just make sure you speak to her.
Sure, I will. Joy! Joy! Joy!
Yes, Auntie.
Please come. My husband is at home, okay? Make sure you prepare whatever he wants to eat for lunch, okay?
Yes, Auntie.
Meanwhile, have you finished what I asked you to do?
I have.
You're sure?
Yes,
The cleaning and the washing?
Yes, Auntie.
You're sure? You can go. Honey,
see you. Take care of yourself, okay? Let me be on my way, okay?
Okay.
Take care of yourself.
Have a nice day.
Same too.
This girl has grown into a fool woman. But look at what she's carrying on her chest. And the one behind. Should I? Joy! Joy!
Yes, Uncle.
Look at how rough and tattered you are. Please go and take a shower.
Uncle, I still have things I'm doing.
I know you still have things to do. But suppose somebody walks into the compound and finds you like this. It wouldn't be nice. Please go and take a shower.
Okay, Uncle.
This holiday is for me. My Christmas has just begun.
Uncle, what are you doing here?
Nothing. I just wanted to check if you have taken your bath.
Yes, I have. And I want to dress up.
No. If you want me to go, I will go. But why do you want me to leave? Because you wanted to dress up? Does it mean if I'm your boyfriend, you cannot dress up in my presence?
Uncle, what's the meaning of that? Please just go. I want to dress up. I'm not comfortable with what you're saying. Besides, I don't have a boyfriend. I never had, and I don't plan on having anytime soon.
Oh, you don't have a boyfriend? You never had one? That means you are still a virgin.
Uncle, please just go. Just go. I want to dress up.
No, don't do that. See, I understand how you feel. You have never done it before. So, I know how you feel. Well, you do know what? I want us to do it now. But I promise you, I will be gentle.
Do what? Uncle, please leave here. Just go.
Keep quiet. Let me tell you, there's nobody here. Huh? It's either you give it to me peacefully or I'll do it my own way.
Hey.
Lie down, let's do this.
Uncle, please leave here.
I said lie down.
Uncle, I'm going to scream. Just go. Uncle, just go.
Lie down there.
Uncle, leave here now.
I said lie down.
Uncle, leave here. Leave here now.
Why are you crying? Stop crying. Huh? Can't you see? It was so sweet. You were so sweet like banana ice cream. Don't worry. By the time we do it again and again like 10 times, you won't feel pain anymore.
I hate you. I hate you. You raped me. You took advantage of me. You took my virginity. I curse you. You shall never see anything good in your life. You and your wicked family.
Is that supposed to be a curse?
And so shall it be.
Joy, do you realize what you just said?
Just get out. Get out of here. Wherever you are, whoever you are, that gave birth to me and just abandoned me here to suffer, you shall never hear the cry of a baby. in your life. I curse you.
Oh my God. What is happening to my son? His body temperature is so high. What's happening to him? Hey. Sorry. You're healed. You're healed. Get well soon. Sorry, nothing will happen to you. My boy, nothing will happen to you. Hey, let me even call my husband. What kind of thing is this? His temperature is so high. Hey. Hey. Hello, honey. Yes, so it's Junior. There is trouble. Oh, it's Junior. I don't know what is wrong. His body temperature is so high. Yes, it started last night. We still have some drugs at home. Okay, so I'll just give it to him. But if he doesn't get well, I'll take him to the hospital. Okay, honey. Hey, Junior, sorry. Get well soon, my son. You are healed. Nothing will happen to you. You are strong. You are a son of a warrior.
Everywhere, too much blessings. Oh my God, what a beautiful soul. I'll be more. I'm a little man. Baby, you captured their heart. Oh, baby, you captured their soul. Oh, baby, you captured their eyes.
Hey, no, please, I don't know what is happening to my son.
Madam, what's wrong with you?
I don't know. Where is doctor, please. Please, let's go. Junior, please. Where? Hey, where is the doctor now? Hey, God, oh, what is happening to me? God, please, let nothing happen to my son. Hey! A few months ago, I lost my newborn. If anything happens to Junior, I will not take it. I'll just die. God, please, God, listen to the cry of a mother. Please, God, please, just hear my prayers. God, please. I don't know. Where is the doctor now?
Madam, calm down.
Doctor, so how is my son? How is he doing? Hope he's okay now.
Madam, when did this sickness start and which drugs did you give to him?
Just in the midnight. I gave him some drugs 2 hours ago.
You gave him some drugs 2 hours ago?
Yes. Is there a problem?
Do you have the remaining drugs here?
Yes. Yes, see the drugs, sit. What is it?
Madam, you have killed your son.
What do you mean? I don't understand.
Where did you buy these drugs from?
These drugs, I've had it since in the house now, like 8 months ago. You know, I've been giving it to him anytime he's sick. So what is the problem?
You mean you had these drugs since 8 months ago?
Yes, that's
what... You gave it to your son
2
hours ago without looking at the expiry date. In fact, these drugs have expired.
Expiring date?
Yes, it has expired.
Chineke. Hey, Chineke. Okay, doctor, yes, the mistake has been made. So what can we do now?
Madam, there is nothing we can do. Your son is already dead.
How do you mean my son is dead?
Madam, calm down. Please just calm down.
Is it you?
No.
Yes, doctor.
Get this file to Nurse Elizabeth.
Okay,
Yes, doctor. Yes, my wife called me a few hours ago and she said that there was some sort of emergency and they've been rushed here. They were being rushed here. So what's going on, please?
Mr. Steve, please calm down. Take it easy.
No, okay, I'm calm, but please, what is really going on? What's going on with my family? What's going on with my wife and my son?
There's nothing to hide from you. You're a man.
What are you talking about? There's nothing to hide from me. I'm a man. What is really going on, please?
Your wife mistakenly gave your son an expired drug without knowing the drug has expired. And on hearing the news, your wife collapsed.
She collapsed? Please, is she okay? Is my wife okay?
Yes, she's okay.
Is my wife okay?
Yes, she's okay.
All right. What was the news? What was the news? Huh?
Your son is dead.
What did you say? What did you just say? What did you just say now? What did you talk to me? What did you just say? My son is what? My son is what? My son is what? My son is what? What's going on? My son is what? My son is what? Huh? Talk to me. My son is what? Huh?
Calm down.
What did you just say?
Calm down.
My son is dead.
Calm down, okay?
She'll be fine.
Madam, so this girl is still lying down here at this time, sleeping. Madam! Madam!
Auntie, why did you pour me water?
So you don't know what the time is? It's 5 o'clock a.m. You're still lying down sleeping. Don't you know that you're supposed to go to the kitchen, prepare breakfast before my husband and my children wakes up from sleep? Eh?
Auntie, I'm sure it's just like 5 a.m. It's too early to prepare breakfast. Even if I do now, it will get cold before they wake up.
You're still sitting there here running your mouth. If I close my eyes and open it, and I still find you here, in fact, this time around, it's hot water I'll pour on you. Come on, move to the kitchen and go and prepare something for me. Sorry. Stupid girl. Idiot. Madam.
What I'm going through.
Nonsense.
No one to run to. No one to console me in this life. Anamire chukomanya, ojurumanya, otutu nabane.
Madam, leave that thing you're doing. Go inside my room, clean up my room, and arrange my bed. Are you not the one I'm talking to, or are you deaf?
Look, are you blind? Just tell me, are you blind? Can't you see that I'm washing? You even added more clothes. And then you are telling me to go into your room, clean it up, and dress your bed. Can't you do it yourself?
Wait. Am I the person you're talking to like that?
So
no, answer me.
What will you do? Or am I lying? Are you not a girl like me? Why can't you do it yourself?
So you then ask me what I am going to do. I want to show you what I can do. I have done something. Now do your worst.
So this is all you can do? This is all? I think you're just looking for someone to kill you. And that person is not me. So I will just let you be. Just go.
What if I refuse to go? What will you do?
Then stay here and waste your useless time.
What? Wait. You dare call me useless? No, I want to understand. You dare call me useless?
Don't you dare. Look, don't you dare try to hit me again. Stupid girl.
You hit me! You hit me, Nari, you will see!
Just look at her. It's only you that have a mother. Nonsense.
Yeah, hey, sorry, man, sorry. I know that wicked girl is trying to suffer you. But don't listen to her. Just calm down. I believe one day, God will free you from all this bondage. We are watching. Just calm down.
I don't even know why she's like that. Why is she doing this to me?
She's like her mother. They are evil people, wicked people. Don't mind them. Just believe one day. I wish Auntie Vivian is still alive. You will not be suffering all this to yourself. But don't worry. Someone is coming. Just don't fight. You're a good person. Don't fight, yeah?
Hey. Wait. I thought I heard you raising your voice talking to someone.
Just get out of this place, you rapist.
You call me a rapist?
Look, if you don't leave this place, I will tell everyone how you raped me. Rapist. Fool. That's what you are. Just look at him. Stupid man. One day, all of you in this house will reap what you sow. Except for Chike.
You are in heaven, seeing what I'm going through. No one to run to.
Mom, Dad, so both of you are here watching television and relaxing with your phones while Joel is inside there dying? Come on, why do you people hate this innocent girl so much? What has she ever done to you people that you cannot forgive her and take care of her? See, Mom, tell me, if this girl was to be your daughter, will you sit down here relaxing with your phone while she's going through pains in there?
Are you mad? Are you mad? Why will you talk to your father and I in that manner?
Mom,
don't you have respect for your parents anymore?
Mom, that is not what even I'm talking about. That is exactly not the point. The point is this girl is in there suffering. See, there's something I want to say to you people. If anything happens to that girl, Dad, if anything happens to that girl, I will report this matter to the police. And you know what that means.
Chike, shut up. I said keep quiet!
Honey, it's okay.
Can you imagine?
So, Chike, what is wrong with her?
How would I even know? How would I even know? I am not a medical doctor. It is simple. Let us take this girl to a hospital so she can run a lab test. From there on, we'll know what to do. From what I know, this girl has been in there since morning, shivering and shaking. Come on, Dad.
Go to my room. Get to my bedroom. On top of the table, you see some money there. Take some money, go to the chemist and mix some drugs for her. She'll be fine.
Honey.
Mom, what do I even tell the chemist, man? How would I even know what is wrong with her? What kind of drug would he give me? Come on, Mom. What are we saying? I can't do that, please. I honestly can't do that.
Chike, you?
Honey, it's okay. I think Chike is right.
What's this?
She need to undergo some tests to know what is exactly wrong with her. You know, remember what your late sister Vivian said. Something must not happen to Joy.
In that case, go to my room. There's a lot of money there. Take some money, take her to the lab and have some tests.
Don't worry, I will do that. I will do that. You know, she's... Don't worry, I think...
There's no time.
I think I should do that. I should do that. You know, she's very sick, as she said, so let me just take her to the hospital.
Whatever, if you say so. Suit yourself.
I'm afraid, don't know where to go now. Hard times may have put you down. But they will not last forever.
Let's go. Hey, what do you want to do?
Let's go to the hospital. There's no time.
I thought you said you're not a doctor. So what are you going to do there? My friend, will you get inside? Tell the gate man to open the gate for me. Okoro, close my door.
Yes?
Open the gate. Just thank your God that you're not pregnant. That's why I decided to take you to the lab by myself. Otherwise, I would have killed you here and nobody will ask after you.
Nobody will ask after me. My God and Mommy Vivian will ask after me. Why are you people so heartless? Why are you wicked? You raped me and you still have the guts to talk to me in that manner. Don't worry. God will judge you.
If you dare insult me again, I will push you out. And I will go without even giving you transport. Let me see how you walk home with your chicken legs.
Okay. Push me out. Push me out now. And you'll see how I'll get home and tell your wife and children how you raped me.
My friend, keep quiet. My friend, keep quiet. Let's go home.
I'm afraid, don't know where to go now.
I have asked you to tidy up my room since morning and you're here just watching this program. Why are you wicked? Am I not your elder brother? Can't I tell you something to do for me?
I don't understand you. Sweep your room as in what? I don't understand you. I beg, don't disturb me. This program I'm watching is quite interesting.
Why are you being so disrespectful? Do you want me to slap you? You see the way you're talking to me? Am I your mate? Am I your mate? Have you lost it? What's your problem? You said it's your excesses in this house, eh? I will cut that.
What is it this morning? What is happening? What is it this early morning?
Mom, huh? Since I wake up this morning, I asked Isabel to help me tidy up my room. She herself said that Joy is at the back, sweeping and washing the filthy clothes. And now she's here doing nothing.
Don't worry, Joy will do it.
But she said Joy is washing at the backyard. That's exactly what she said.
Mommy, tell him more.
See, I don't want you people to have issue this morning.
You see the way she talks. You see the way she talks to me.
Please, guys, calm down, please. I'm going to my shop. Okay? Please. I'm off to the shop. You guys should take care of the house. You said Joy is still washing?
She's still there washing.
Okay. Tell her to prepare lunch when she's done with that. And she should make sure dinner is ready before I come back.
Yes, ma'am.
You know I don't like eating late.
But Mom, what is Isabel doing here? You said Joy is washing at the back. Now she should prepare lunch and still make dinner at the same time. But Isabel is here doing nothing.
What is her work in this house?
Mommy, I don't understand.
What is her work in this house? Why is she living here? Allow Isabel to be.
Mommy, I don't understand this kind of preferential treatment that Bro Chike is giving to this Joy in this household. It's becoming too much.
Mommy, caution this girl.
See.
Caution her so much. Just caution her.
I want to sell in my shop. Please. I don't want this trouble this morning.
Mommy, bye. See you.
Bye.
Please, Oga, you're obstructing my view. Go, Joy.
I'm afraid, don't know where to go now. others may have put you down. But they will not last forever.
Joy, what do you want to do?
What are you doing here? I thought you've gone to your shop. Or have you come to rape me again? You fool. Rapist.
You can call me whatever pleases you. That's none of my business. As long as you give it to me, go.
Do you even have sense? No, just tell me. Why are you wicked and heartless? Why? If someone was doing this to your daughter, what will you do?
My daughter? No, don't go there. I will kill that man. I will kill that useless man.
Thank you. Thank you for accepting how useless and wicked you are. Now get out of my room. Leave this place.
Enough of this nonsense.
You are very wicked. Get out of my room.
I know this is how you behave each time I want it. You either give it to me peacefully or I'll have it my own way.
Or never. Leave my room. I said go now. I said leave my room.
Why now? I'm having a running stomach. No. I need to go back.
He's not picking his call. What is really going on? Honestly, I am confused. I don't even know what to do again. Ever since we lost our kids, my husband has been behaving very strange. Hey, God. I just hope nothing has happened to him. Honey, you're drunk again. What is really going on? What? Do you want to kill me? Why are you doing this? Why? Just look at the time. Just look at when you're coming home to your wife. Honey, what have I done that you cannot forgive me? What? I've been worried sick. I've been sitting down here. I'm waiting for you.
Shut up. Okay? Just shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
Honey,
just shut up. Shut up. When I'm done talking, you talk. Shut up. Wait, hold on. Since when did you start caring about me?
Oh, honey, you know I
Just shut up! Shut up! When I'm done talking, you talk. Shut up. Close it. Zip it. Lock it. Keep it glued.
Honey.
Just shut up! You care about me. Since when? Oh, I'm sorry. I remember, right? The two people you cared about are dead and you killed them. Now shut up! And now you care about me. You want to kill me? Well, guess what? Before you kill me, I'll kill you first. I will kill you first. So don't care about me, okay? Because if you try to kill me, I'll kill you first. You feel me? Don't care about me.
Joy, you don't have to bother yourself. I mean, you should stop crying, okay? I understand everything that is happening, okay?
Oh, brother Chike, I don't want you to go. Please just stay. If you go now, who will I talk with? Who will be here to care for me and fight for me? If you leave, I will just be all alone. You know you're the only one that likes me in this house. Please, brother Chike, I don't want to be alone.
I understand. Okay, if you ask me, I will tell you I want you to come with me. Honestly, I'm also scared. You know, I'm scared that my parents are just going to do something bad to you. I don't know why they hate you this much. See, I promise you, okay? I promise you, I'm going to make sure I find a way to make you get free. At least get a place for you to stay and find something doing. Yes, especially now that my mother has taken everything Auntie Vivian kept for you. They are not your God. They will never be your God. Okay? I promise you. I will also find a way to see if I can get you connected back to school. I have friends, yes.
Really? Yes. Brother Chike, if you do this for me, I will forever be grateful.
Don't worry. I'll try my best. And I'll make sure it happens. Please stop crying, you hear? Stop crying. I just want you to be happy.
I have to go to the kitchen.
I don't understand Bro Chika and Joy. Most times you see both of them chatting and laughing as if they are in love. But are you sure they are not in love?
My dear, don't mind what you say. Your brother Chike just like Joy.
Real.
But both of them being in love, no. That's not possible. It's not when I'm still alive. It's not going to happen. Besides, don't worry. Your brother will soon go back to school. And all these things will stop. All this nonsense will stop. Sure. Isabella, are you mad? Is there anything wrong with you? Is that why you dragged me out? Excuse me.
Bro Chike. Bro Chike. Bro Chike.
What is it?
I don't understand you and that thing, no.
Huh?
Why are you both always seen together as if you are in love?
Are you mad? Did you hear what you just said? What's your problem? Just look at you insulting her. See, next time I hear you say anything like this again, I'm going to slap you. Come on, get out from my side. Just look at you. Look at what you're saying.
Sure, you are going back to school tomorrow.
So?
When you get back to school, let me see who she will be playing that nonsense love with. Nonsense.
See who is insulting somebody. Mom! Mama! Mama! Isabel, come here!
What are you doing? Junior, what are you doing? Junior, I can catch you. I can catch you. Look at her. I told you I can catch you. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you. Look at, where are you going to? Come back here.
I love you so much. You see, ever since we did it the other time, and you were so sweet, like banana ice cream. See, I'm having this strong feeling to get one from you. I'm so addicted.
You are sick. Okay, Nwa, you are sick. You're a beast and I hate you.
Look here. See, my wife and my daughter have gone to the village. And my son has gone back to school. Look at the whole house. There's nobody here to help or save you like my son did the other time. So you said that you give it to me peacefully, or I have it my own way.
You are lying.
Okay.
You will not succeed. You will not succeed this time. The last time you succeeded because I did not know you. But now you will not succeed.
You must give it to me today. You must give it to me today.
Look, Okoro, I need to go and get drugs for Oga, but he's calling you inside.
What happened?
Just give me the key.
Hey! Use this one.
Which one?
This one.
Okay, go to Oga, go to Oga. Okay. He's calling you, go!
Everything is easy for your eyes, yeah. Mama, be everything is easy for your eyes, yeah. But now your handy, babe. Now your handy, babe. If you